Meet the Obsidian Black Mercedes-Benz S-Class sedan. Elegance in motion. It shines with a timeless grille and striking LED signature. Every angle speaks of power and prestige. From the rear, it radiates bold presence. Step inside, a sanctuary of luxury. Front seats massage, heat, and cool on demand. Rear passengers ride in unmatched comfort. Offers mood lighting in 64 tones. Music comes alive with Burmester 3D and 4D sound. Huge displays redefine digital luxury. Augmented reality guides your path. Your fingerprint personalizes every drive. Changes lanes with safety intelligence. Rear axle steering gives agility in every corner. Obsidian black finish makes it shine with timeless sophistication. Add AMG styling, it becomes an icon of sport luxury. The S500 packs 442 horsepower with turbo mild hybrid power. Hybrid efficiency, the S580e runs up to 47 miles electric. The S580 delivers 496 horses of pure power. The AMG S63 unleashes 791 horsepower, a luxury rocket. 0 to 60 in just over 3 seconds, redefining fast. In electric mode, the S580e glides in silence. Air suspension keeps the ride smooth. It cocoons you in silence. Starts near $119,500 up to $190,000 for AMG. Made for leaders and dreamers. Inside, every stitch tells a story of luxury. Announces you with a light show. Balances luxury with useful practicality. Rear passengers enjoy screens, comfort, and control. Protects with advanced airbags all around. Drive assist keeps you secure. Purifies and refreshes your cabin air. Entertainment for all, making long drives fun. Stay charged, stay connected. Handles like a smaller car on curves. At high speeds, it stays rock solid. Nighttime glow makes it a moving lounge. arrive and all eyes turn. Blends luxury with green responsibility. Can be tailored uniquely to you. See more at night with night vision. Against competitors, it still reigns supreme. Where beauty meets performance. Test drive today and feel true luxury.